Here at the Mobile World Congress, I am with Optica corporate member Aircision, one of our leading companies in FSO, free space optical links. And I would like for you to meet the CEO and the CTO of the company, Luis Oliveira, CEO of Aircision. What are you doing at the Mobile World Congress?
Hola, Jose. Thank you, first of all, for interviewing us here. Mobile World Congress is probably the best event for us to be in. We are addressing big challenges in telecommunications around the world. And I think at Aircision, with our technology, we can bring many advantages: capacity, ease of deployment, connectivity to the whole world.
Here, your customers they are showing amazing things on the other halls. What are the key demands from these companies, these telecom companies, when it comes to free space optical links?
This year, I hear a lot about security. Obviously, the world context, global context, we are always talking about the security of the links of the communication. We have been working recently also with defense organizations in the Netherlands. But at this event, we are mainly also working with telecom operators that look for security of communications and bandwidth. That's always also the question.
So these two things, security and bandwidth, to what extent are FSO communication links secure?
So when we compare with radio frequency, for example, our point-to-point systems are basically undetectable by a third party, which makes it extremely hard to jam or to get access to the content of that data transmission. When compared to radio, our systems can add another layer of security in a communication link.
And when it comes to bandwidth?
Where it comes to?
Bandwidth?
So in bandwidth, right now, we are transmitting at 10 gigabits per second over 5 kilometers, but we have already demonstrated terabits per second over 5 kilometers.
Terabit per second communication. Ronald Bloch, CTO of Aircision. We are only a few weeks away from OFC. Can you give us a teaser of what you're bringing to the conference?
Yes, of course. Together with the University of Eindhoven, we did great experiments on the link that we've installed in the city of Eindhoven in the Netherlands. Together with them, they have demonstrated that indeed multiple terabit of communication is possible, and they will present that information on the OFC. So it's really exciting to see.
I know you cannot reveal the secret of the sauce, but to what extent integrated photonics play a role in the future of multi-terabit per second communication in FSO?
I think it's very important. Of course, we use fiber technology that we bring over the air. So the development of this integrated photonics is critical for us to be able to do this high bandwidth communication.
And to make that dream come true, which companies can help you? Answer the Optica question. What can the others do for you, and what can you do for them?
I think together we must figure out how to deploy our systems in the right way and how to develop the optical communication that it can work not only in fiber, but also in air channels. So what you see, the current technology is being optimized for stable fiber. Air channels have their own challenges, but it is possible to do. And I think this cooperation we need to do to get this high bandwidth also through the air.
Luis, we are in the 4 years from now hall of the conference. These are the technologies for the future. We are surrounded by huge startups here, lots of energy. Aircision is a mature company bringing mature technology. What is, in your opinion, the big thing that you are learning by being surrounded by this large amount of startups here?
It's always a pleasure to be here at the Mobile Congress because I see so much technology, so much energy around us. When we talk about 4 years from now, or maybe look into the future, we started this company because we wanted a connected world. We wanted people all around the world to have access to high-speed internet. When I look into the future, my main mission, my main pleasure would be knowing that everyone has the same rights, the same option, the same access to very high-speed internet all over the world. That's what drives us.
Dream away. If we had this interview in 4 years, how does Aircision look like?
We'll definitely be working around the globe. So we are right now based in the Netherlands and working with European partners. But definitely we see a company and our path to work in South America, in Africa, North America, Asia, all around the world. So that's where we see us growing and connecting more and more people, more and more companies to the internet.
Luis, Ronald, it was a pleasure to meet you. I think the future is very bright for the FSO of Aircision.
Thank you, Jose.
All the best.
Thank you.